1. French fries thin, deep-fried potato sticks that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Commonly served as a side dish with burgers and fast food meals. 2. Steak fries, thick-cut potato wedges that are soft and fluffy inside with a crispy exterior, often served with steak or grilled dishes. 3. Shoestring fries, extremely thin and crispy fries that resemble matchsticks, known for their crunchy texture and quick cooking time. 4. Crinkle-cut fries, fries with wavy, ridged edges that hold more seasoning and sauces, offering a crunchy bite with a soft center. 5. Curly fries, spiral-shaped fries seasoned with spices, known for their fun shape and bold, savory flavor. 6. Waffle fries, cross-hatched fries with a lattice shape that creates a crispy surface and soft interior, ideal for dipping sauces. 7. Potato wedges, thick, wedge-shaped potato pieces with skin on, seasoned and baked or fried for a hearty texture. 8. Sweet potato fries, fries made from sweet potatoes, offering a naturally sweet flavor and slightly softer texture than regular fries. 9. Chili cheese fries, French fries topped with chili sauce and melted cheese, creating a rich, savory comfort food dish. 10. Garlic fries, fries tossed with garlic, herbs, and sometimes parsley, delivering a strong aromatic flavor. 11. Parmesan fries, fries sprinkled with grated Parmesan cheese, often combined with herbs for a salty, cheesy taste. 12. Loaded fries, fries topped with multiple ingredients such as cheese, bacon, sour cream, and sauces for a full meal experience. 13. Seasoned fries, fries coated with a blend of spices such as paprika, garlic powder, and pepper for enhanced flavor. 14. Truffle fries, fries drizzled with truffle oil and sometimes topped with Parmesan, known for their rich and earthy aroma. 15. Cajun fries, spicy fries seasoned with Cajun spices, giving a smoky, slightly hot flavor profile. 16. Masala fries, fries coated with Indian-style spices, offering a tangy, spicy, and aromatic taste. 17. Tornado fries, spiral-cut potatoes deep-fried on a skewer, creating a twisted shape and crispy texture throughout. 18. Baked fries, oven-cooked fries with less oil, resulting in a lighter and healthier version of traditional fries. 19. Twice fried fries, fries that are cooked twice for extra crispiness on the outside while remaining fluffy inside.